In this video, we are going to look at withdrawals and deposits between Cheapercash and Deriv.com. So let's begin with the Deriv.com withdrawals to Cheapercash. You straight away go to the Google Chrome and type Deriv.com. Where is my Google Chrome? It's here. Type on Deriv.com, hit enter. So from there you can log in. Depending on your internet, it will be faster, but if it is slow, you have to be waiting a little bit. So it is loading. My internet is a bit slow. Wait for it to load. So with your credentials, you are supposed to log in, or it's very easy to log in. So reaching here, you should pay attention to this. The question is your account or your funds in Bitcoin, or are they in USD or in Euro, in GBP? So if they are in Euro, GBP or USD and you want to withdraw using Bitcoin, you will have to first change your funds into Bitcoin. That's what I did. I changed my funds from here, and let me show you how do you do so. You go to these three bars on the left here, go on cashier, go on transfer. So reaching there on transfer, that's when you play with these buttons in here, right? So for example, let me check my funds which are in US dollar. You can see if I want to transfer this, my funds in financial account or currencies, and I want to transfer them to my USD account here, which is not, this is not for trading. This one, this account is just for having your funds there in USD, not for trading. However, this is for my trading account in my MT5 or MT4 if you are using MT4. So basically that's what you are doing, and you play around with these buttons, and you have to first send them to this account. Then from there you can again send them to your Bitcoin account. If you don't have a Bitcoin account, it is very easy. You can also create it, and having your funds in Bitcoin, which you are going to use, like which I actually use because of the cheaper rates, like the sending and withdrawing fees. I use Bitcoin, and more especially when Bitcoin is increasing in value, the charges are so minimal compared to agents, compared to P2P. So I prefer using Bitcoin. So you go to these three bars once again. If your funds are already in Bitcoin, the one you want to use to withdraw, or whichever, reaching there you go to cashier, go to withdraw. So withdraw, before you do anything, you have to first verify by sending you an email, and once I click on send email, obviously they will send it. Then I will go to my inbox to check that email. Then I will verify that it's already me. I have done it. This is the recent one, so let me click on that one where they are saying verify your withdrawal request. Then I will click on yes, it's me. Alright, so if you have enough funds, they will be able to avail you with the address. The token has expired or is invalid, because I've been trying it several times before making this video. However, on this platform you should be able to get access to the email, rather from the Bitcoin wallet you have copied from Cheapercash. Then you will paste it in here, but here I've been trying it, and that's why I say my session is expired. Above all, even my funds are very little. So what you do, you go to Cheapercash again, go to Cheapercash, and So reaching on Cheapercash, you go to invest tab, then crypto, then on Bitcoin, so because you are withdrawing, you will click on receive. You click here on receive. So they give you this address, so you are supposed to copy this address in here. This one, you copy it, wallet copied, right? So after copying it, you go back to Deriv. I told you once everything is fine, when the system is not down, you should be able to get an option for you here after verifying your email where to enter the Bitcoin address you have copied from Cheapercash. But it seems as if the system is down nowadays for Bitcoin. That's why it is not showing up. Remember two things. One, you should be able to transfer your funds from USD or GBP where they are, then to Bitcoin before you place a withdraw. So after that, that's when you can place a withdraw, then verify the email. After verifying the email, go to Cheapercash wallet, Bitcoin wallet. If you're using Bitcoin, if you're using the Ethereum, you will copy the Ethereum wallet, copy it, and you will paste it in here where you want your funds to go. It's as simple as that. If you get any other challenge apart from that one, you can raise your question in the comment section and I will be able to get back to you. Otherwise, God bless you and bless your hustles. So with deposits, you go to cash again and go to deposits. Then select your Bitcoin address if you want to deposit using Bitcoin, and you go to deposit using cryptocurrency in here. Right, click on Bitcoin in here. Right, click on it. Then also click here. Right, so from here you click on continue. Right, so after that you can copy this address here. Alright, so you copy it, so you can see it's already copied. Then you go to Cheapercash, then reaching on Cheapercash, it was already here, so you go to crypto here. So from there you go to Bitcoin. Remember, you want to deposit, so you will send funds from your Cheapercash wallet to your Deriv. However, before you send, you must make sure that your funds have been transferred to Bitcoin. That is by buying Bitcoin. And how do you buy? You buy by just pressing this button in here. That's the first procedure. I hope you are familiar with that one. After buying your Bitcoin, that's when you can send it. And by pressing here, right, so you send here and you paste the address. After you enter the amount you want to send, then click enter. This button will turn yellow rather pink after you have entered the right amount in here. Okay, for example 0.002. Here you can see it has turned. So if you click OK, the funds will go. That's it, guys. Otherwise, have a nice day ahead.